you are feeling just the way I do. Vibing on the dance floor, show me your intention. I like it when you follow through. I want you to stay right here. 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 We got the fire and we burn it up. We got the fire, baby. We got the fire and we burn it up. We got the fire.
All this time passing by slowly fades away. I've been trying not to make all the same mistakes. We weren't always set in stone, but I know I took too long with this love. Yeah, I'd rather be alone, 'cause I am right where I belong, still holding on. I need you in 1,000 ways, still dreaming while I'm wide awake. They tell me I'm insane, 'cause you don't feel the same, but I'll just stay another day. I need you in 1,000 ways, still dreaming while I'm wide awake. They tell me I'm insane, 'cause you don't feel the same, but I'll just stay another day. Can't deny all the chances I didn't take, but I survived without the promises you didn't make. I know we weren't always.
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up, because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show. Yo, what's going on, family? Good morning. Happy Tuesday to you guys. Let me know on YouTube and on Zoom. Give me some twos in the chat if you guys can hear me all right. Sounds good. Sounds coming through clear. Excellent. Appreciate it. What up, George, Brian, Jazzy J, Juliet, Jim B in the house. What up, Che, Christine? Good morning. What's up, Lars on YouTube? Good morning.
We are in a little bit of a stalemate, not too much. The 3-minute is close to flipping here. This is more of a no news day, and we've been kind of consolidated, it seems, overnight. Let me just double check that. Outside of outside of the market open, and then a nice little drop to the downside off of the daily targets that got taken out late yesterday. We fell off there. London was a drop. Looks like we're getting back in alignment now before the open. Let me just look at something. This is London's high right here, and that failed to get up there. All right, this is London low right here. So those are both open. From a daily target perspective, if we do drop here, I mean, it's way down there at 21,112. It's not too far away considering how fast the market can move here. But we'll see what happens. We just I think we just flipped completely. The market's going to open up here in 1 minute. Yeah, we got 1 minute and 10, and we are currently in alignment for sales. So we're going to wait the first 3, make sure. Volume on a 5-minute is pretty low. 1 and a 3 are picking up. So we'll see. What's up, Paula B? What's up, Sharif? What up, Amy? $40 seconds for the market opens, and we'll get full alignment in 40 seconds as well if it closes down here. What's up, Bob? We're back around that 400 level. Obviously, we know we had a big pump up yesterday that left behind quite a few imbalances. We didn't get a chance to get in this market until 300 yesterday. So what's up, Paul? Market is open now. We did flip into alignment for sales on that last candle, so we are fully in alignment for sales here. Two minutes left in this candle. Moving back up towards the J4 and the 450 area. If we close above 400, then I'll be looking for a sale at 450. Right now, we got a minute still left in this candle, and we're around the 415 area. What's up, Adrian? What's up, Coach Jay? What's up, Paul? We're about 20 or so points away from the London low here. 30 seconds left. We're still above 400, but if we close below, I look to get in at 400. What's up, Cindy? iPhone. It's like we're tapping this little bit of imbalance down here at the bottom. All right, we are closing above 400. So if we come up and tap 450, I'm going to grab that for a sale. Got the J4 sitting right there as well. Got a sale limit set here at 450. J4 is there on the 5-minute as well. And the 1 minute. We got a J4 trifecta going on right here. At 430s. Minute to go. We're falling off from this imbalance here on the 435 area, 425 area. We're about 10 points away from maybe closing below 400. Possible bearish engulfing candle coming in here as well. Let's see. Don't look like it's closing right now. Well, sweeping right now. Let's see what that first 5 minutes look like. All right, we still got 2.5. We're about on the 400 area. Hesitating down here a little bit. Just tapped 400 and bounced off of it. Minute to go. Same spot. Lower 400s. We're breaking below it now. There we go. We got a minute to go here. All right, we may be looking at the 400s. So we're tapping London low right now. Back above 400, 30 seconds to go. Looks like we're pushing off strongly from that London low. Back above 400, so no go on the 400. There's still a chance for the 450s. That was a bullish engulfing candle. That bullish engulfing isn't continuing at the moment. It's just a good sign. I don't know why I keep getting these random gaps on my chart. There we go. It's gone now. All right, I'll be taking 450. It is going to be a sale at 450. Not a huge fan that we touched London and bounced off of it so strongly, but we are hesitating to go higher off this engulfing, so we might even not even get 450. That's a bearish engulfing coming right back down. Might be looking at 400 still. Back below 400 with a minute to go. Another bounce. Five-minute volume is picking up. Ten seconds. We're at 414. Bearish engulfing on the 3. Still got 450 set up if it comes up there. Not surprised, Ken. See if this bearish engulfing can continue. We are stuck. Got a minute to go, and this candle still stuck in the same spot. 420 area. $18 seconds. Can we close? No. We are literally bullish candle, bearish candle, bullish candle, bearish candle, bullish candle, bearish candle. If we're gonna keep this rhythm, this candle should be bearish. Spot the pattern. Just had a bearish engulfing on the 5-minute. Tomorrow we got root oil. Thursday we got news, red folders. Friday, orange folder. Bank holiday Monday. These wicks are crazy. Oops. Minute and a half left. Again, right around the 400 area. Another wick so far. 15 seconds left in this 1-minute candle. Minute 15 in the 3-minute candle. It did close below it on the 1. Minute left in this 3-minute stick. Is she ready to go? Oh. Nice little pushy push. All right, looks like we're going to be sliding this down. Let's see if we can get this to retest. Still got 27 seconds left here. She did keep the pattern. Bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. Now we need to break the pattern. Well, actually, let's get in his entry and then break the pattern. Big push, big push, big push. Let's see if we can get this to pull back up. I'm sliding my sell limit down to 400. See if we can get this to pull back up. Oops. Pulling back up a little bit now. Almost there. I'll keep going. Yes. It's 21,400. All right, 1 minute left here. Breaking the pattern here. Oh, maybe not. All right, we're in the bottom of the hour. Let's see if this pulls up. Waiting on 400. Waiting on 400. If not 400, I'll take 350. Come on and get us. I changed the color a little bit, but
What?
just cause.
I just want yellow. I just want yellow.
I'm in.
But it's pink.
Oh, can y'all hear him? All right, we want this to turn red to keep the pattern. Came up there pretty heavy. Roll on down, roll on down. Roll on down. Roll on down. Heavy push back up here. All right, I'm out of that. Let me just check the 1 minute. Yeah, 450 is next. It's about to hit the J4 on the 3, and I believe it should be close to the J4 on the 5 as well. It stopped at 425. Pretty big candle going up there. Yep. Limit 450. Yep. It's about to just wick it and drop. I've got a feeling. Either 450 or a replay of 400. Right now we're respecting 425, and I have a feeling that she's gonna just drop from here. Wicked our SL. Still got a minute and a half left in this candle. Back to near the 400s. Let's see if she uses this to now bounce. We put a lot of wicks on this side. Let's see if it uses it to bounce, or if we close back below it. Close back below it, I'll take it. 38 seconds to go here. Right now it is wicking. Yeah, that was the first wick. About to say we are still in this pattern, but we had two bullish candles right here. Can we get two bearish candles? Imbalance on both sides. Another wick, possibly. Got 2 minutes left in this candle. 2:30. Got a bullish engulfing on the 5. Might get violated here. Still got 2 minutes left. About to be at the top of the hour. A good old 10 o'clock drop. At the imbalance spot. London low again. Falling through. All right, looks like we might be replaying 400. And never closed above there. Just wick this out. We still got a minute left in this candle, but I'm not setting anything just yet. But looking like that's what it wants to do. Looking like that's what it wants to do. "40 seconds. All right, we got closing below. So I'm gonna have to market execute this. It's at, come on, push up a little bit. All right, I am in. All right, let's get this 10 o'clock drop. In for shot number 2. Eddie. All right, we just spaced down below 75. I hate this one because this might come back and take us out at break even, but I'm going break even. Going BE on it. Hopefully keep falling. Oh, don't do that. Still in by a little bit of hair. My entry is actually above 400. I got 402 and a quarter. All right, I'm out. All right, minute to go. Right around 400. I wanted to close above it. Let me just double check. Yeah, 450 is still an option if it gets up there. Still very much an option. We are going to be closing above 400. I think. Yes, we did. So that means if we close it back below 400, I'll replay it again. Just put a bullish engulfing candle here on the 3. We literally, other than these 2 candles, have been every other. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Oh, we did have 3 reds. Hey, 3 L's. We want that to get destroyed. All right, we're back below it. Still got 2 minutes in this candle. Now she's just gonna drop and leave us at the train station. Whatever happens next, we gotta go lower low. We got a minute to go. We're below 400. Violating this bullish engulfing candle and putting in a bearish one of our own. Gonna be replaying 400 for the second time. Oh, third time, you're right. Third time's a charm. I may even try to hold this for 75 points. All right, 20 seconds to go. All right, I'm sliding down, putting it for a sell limit in at 400. That was a bearish engulfing. We want her to pull back up though first before the continuation. Can we get it? Can we get it? Trying to bounce off of 75. One more touch. One more touch. Okay, if you're not gonna touch, at least put in the lower low. Don't hesitate down here. We got a minute. We're facing up. I'm not a fan of these wicks down here. Waiting on 400 still. I don't like the hesitation. I mean, I don't mind that it's hesitating because then we'll get a shot for sure, but from a structural standpoint, I don't like the failure to go lower. I'd much rather have seen this bearish engulfing candle just shoot straight down, close below, and I would have been okay taking a shot from right there. But we'll see. We're almost there, down to play. J4 on the 1 minute sitting right there. I mean, third shot from 400. I'm not a huge fan of this one, but let's see how it plays out. Mm.
Fingers crossed, this will be the end. Tell me, baby, you're so back and forth, it's torment. You've been like, take me back, you complete my soul, and God knows that I want it, but I can't do this no more. Why did you leave me with all these torn feelings? I just wanna hate you, but I know I hate to. Ain't that the funny thing? You don't cross my mind, not even in dreams. Then you go and do this and bring it back to me. I just wanna live free without haunting memories.
I might close this early, y'all. I'm gonna give this the rest of this candle. I think the buyer's about to step in here, bring us up higher. See what happens in 20 seconds. Holding right now. Still gonna hold through. Wasn't a bad rejection from up there. I need to see. I want to see this candle closing back below this black line right here. If it doesn't do that, I'm gonna close this trade. Got 15 seconds left in this candle. It's trying. You want to do it. You want to go. Oh, so close. Give it one more candle. Yep. All right, I'm closing this. Closing it out. Save about some points there. This thing's about to go up. All of this is why I was kept saying, like, I'm not a huge fan of this. Just this hesitation. It just kept hesitating to go lower. So either it's coming up here to get to 450 area, which I will take, or this thing wants to roll completely over after taking out the London low. I robot moded that anyway, but that's why I wasn't a fan of this trade. I wasn't a fan of that opportunity. Does that make sense? I would have liked to have been in this already, like it's on an immediate touch, because we at least would have made it to break even and it could have made a decision what it wanted to do. But when this bearish engulfing candle didn't just continue straight down, and y'all already know when I see bearish engulfings, bullish engulfings, and they're not continuing, that's showing us the signs of weakness for that side of the market. But I robot moded that anyway, but it wasn't giving me any wasn't giving me any confidence. So let me see. I mean, I could stop right now being down 36 points after having 100 yesterday. Or I could take another shot. And you guys can make that same decision. I haven't decided yet, personally. As of right now, yes, 450 would be the next play. I think I'm exhausted from 400. I don't think I want to take a fourth shot, but that'll be the one. That will for sure be the one. Yeah, we got taken out of stop loss on that one. I don't know how many points you guys saved closing early, or if you didn't close early, you got hit 25 for that one. So if you reached your 50 for the day, then just stop. Oh, nice. J4 is, it's very tempting. It's very tempting. It's very tempting to get back in here. Yeah, she's gonna make me decide. She's gonna make me decide robot mode or get in the way. She touched a 5-minute J4. I know Jalen's in then. If Jalen's on YouTube, I'm sure he's in. Oh gosh. I think I'm about to play 400 again for the 4th time, family. That's a close on the 1, not the 3. We still got 2 minutes left in this 3-minute candle. We're making lower lows where? You mean lower highs? Yeah, we're making lower highs. Yes. We're making lower highs. We ain't made a lower low. That's what I want. I want a lower low. That's what I want. I see this. I see that. I see this. I see this. I see this. I see this. It's getting weak though. But we're respecting. I mean, it's these little internal highs here and this internal high here, and Return a low. We got this one here. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Maybe lower high if it can go put in a lower low, but we don't know. We don't know. We're above 400 with 54 seconds to go. Tapping into some bullish imbalances here. Respecting those. Looks like I don't have to decide if I want to take 400 again because she's not going to close below it. Oh, damn it. Oh, man. There's still so much time left in this candle. All right, don't look like she's doing it. Excellent. All right, so don't have to worry about that. The question now is, do we still have the volume on the 1 minute when we get up there? I think we will. It just depends on how fast we go. If we chop up there, we won't. But as of right now, everything is showing me that this wants to go higher. Here we go again. We got a minute and a half, minute 50. I'll be right back. I had to go grab a hoodie. I'm freezing down here. Oh gosh. I'm a little out of breath. Ran all the way upstairs and back in 40 seconds. Okay, fam. 5th time's a charm. That's what they say, right? That's how the saying goes. That's what I heard. I heard the saying was 5th time's a charm. I'm gonna do my best to try to get above 400. She's just gonna kiss 400 though and just drop. Or just not even come back up there. Get on up there. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, come up there. You just left a little bitty imbalance up there you can go grab. Little tiny one. I'm in. Fifth time's the charm, fam. Let's drop it like it's hot. I'm not going to micromanage this position. Whatever happens, happens. But I will say, if we don't go now, we ain't going. Yeah, it's there right now. You might have just missed it again. That was for you, Paula. Get in. Cause we about to fall. Bearish engulfing candle 2 off the J4. Just be right. Just fall. Just fall. I love the guardrails. Oh, come on, roll over. So choppy in here. Can we just get a smooth fall? So I'll take, 75 points would be nice. Okay, that was a continuation on the bearish engulfing. We're around 385 right now. Trying to find a spot. Back up towards entry. I think I'll just stay with 50 if we can get down there. back up at the entry point right now. Just put a bullish engulfing candle on the 5. Looks like we're trying to get one on the 3 as well. Now we're just being rude. We're just wedging. Not a fan. Yeah, she is choppy today. I mean, we ain't got no news today, so it's kind of was expected, but I mean, at this point, 25-point TP sounds great. You know what? I'll let her have it. If she did do that. I said I wasn't going to micromanage this trade, but this looks disgusting. What time is it? 10:37. I don't know if pretty is the word I would describe for that one, but yeah, we're about to get taken out here. You don't have to do that. You don't have to take us out. You can stop right there. Yeah, I'm out too now. All right. 5 shots from the same level, and none of them gave it to us. So she can have that. All right. Gave back more than I wanted to today. It's okay. Good thing we had that big day yesterday. We'll be live tomorrow. 10:30. Got crude oil. See how the rest of this day shapes out. Get all this crap off my screen. Yep, here she comes. Right to 450. Finally. And now in a stalemate. All right, family. That's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. I'm down, I was 25 and 35. 65 today. Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Wednesday session. Trump speaks in about an hour. Nice. Took 5 shots from 400. And only one of them was a break even. We had an early close on one, break even on the other. And then, or maybe it was just 4 shots. I don't know. We took a lot of shots from 400. No break even. Stop loss on that last one. Early close on one. Stop loss on 2. So yeah, it was 5 shots. See y'all tomorrow. Yeah, it was choppy. I mean, we had a lot of chop last week too. We just traded straight through it. I wouldn't have changed anything from that perspective. Because a lot of times, Dustin, when you come to the market, you're coming in to the market right before the gas gets spread on it. So it looks unclear a little bit. And then you'll get that spread out and the structure will start to come in. And that easily could have been today. But I always say when we don't really have any news, like we don't have anything until 1 today. And it's all yellow folders. That normally brings a very stale market, especially for the morning session. And the only reason we decided to just go straight through it today is because that rule or that conclusion hasn't been the case ever since Trump took office, just because like every day there's been so much volume, so much volatility that even on yellow days we've had, market movements. But I don't know, we'll see. But like tomorrow's gonna be another day. It's just yellows, but at least we got at least one main yellow during our session. We didn't really have anything at all during our session, so could have took today off and it would have resulted in nothing, or could have resulted in 50 points either way. So it's all good. I'm glad we started off the week the way we did with 100 points yesterday, so doesn't make today feel too bad, unless you missed yesterday. Then that you may feel differently. All right, y'all, have a great Tuesday. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace out for now.